Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to recover your Twitch account. If you have forgotten the password of your Twitch account, do not worry. In this video, I will be teaching you to recover your Twitch account password. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Twitch app. Here we go. Here you can see two options. Tap on login. Now enter your username here. Now tap on travel logging in. Now you have to enter your email address that is linked with your Twitch account. Also you can use your phone number, but as my email is linked with my account, here I will be entering my email. After you have done that, tap on continue. Now enter your username here. Tap on send my password resend link. Now tap on done. Now go and check your Gmail. Here I will be opening my Gmail app. Now at the top I can see that Twitch has sent me the link. Tap on that. Now tap on reset your password on that purple icon. Now you have to choose new password for your account. Now again confirm your new password here. Okay, I have to re-enter the password. I have entered my password wrongly. Now after you have chose the password, tap on set password. Here I will be tapping on not now. In this way you can easily recover your Twitch account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.